Hi, in this video we explain the Baba's U solutions from the start of the game to the early end. To start, Baba's U means that you control Baba. Flag is win means when you get to the flag you win. Wall stop means you cannot go through the walls. Rock is push means you can push the rocks. So the solution of this stage is to just push the rock until we get to the flag. Now, since wall is stop, we cannot cross the walls, so we need to change this, and now wall is no longer stop and we can cross it, but we have no winning condition, so we can build flag is win, and then the flag will be the win. Now we go directly to the end, so we skip the 2. Here water sink, so if we go inside the water we die, so we need to throw this rock inside the water. Now flag is win, but we will need 2 rocks to get there, and we only have 1 rock above left, so we can change this to rock is win, and now we just need to go to the rock. So here, this is where the early end is. We need to clear 3. Here, wall is stop, school is defeat, so we die, so we can remove the wall stop, and rock is stop, so we can also not change here. So the only thing left to do is to say wall is you instead of Baba is you, and now we control the wall and we can go directly to the flag. Now we go directly to the first one here. This one, Baba is you and sink, so if we go here we die, so we need to remove the sink. Now we can go here, but the jelly also kills you, so instead of going there we use the wall to break the jelly, and then we can get to the flag. On this one we have star is sink, so the star kills you, and rock is push. So if we change to star is push, we can push the star under the school. School is defeat, also kills us. And now when we change back to star is sink, it will kill the school and make place for us to get to the crab name. Now we have there Baba is you, and we need to make crab is Baba is you, and then we can now the crab outside the walls we can throw, and we can get to the flag. On this one we have Keke is move, love is push, Alga is defeat, so we cannot cross to the love. Love is win, Baba is you. So what we can do here is Keke is love. And now we can get to the love and win. This flag is win, wall is stop, Baba is you, star is defeat. So we cannot cross to get to the flag. But what we can do is we can push some pillars near the flag, and now we can change the pillars push to pillars U. So it means we control the pillars, and now we can go directly to the flag. Here, wall is stop, Baba is you, flag is win. So the only thing we can do is make Baba is win, and then we directly win. Here we have key is open and push, door is shut and stop. So we cannot walk through the door or the walls, but if we push the key on the door, we open it. Same for this key, and now we have one door left. We don't have keys anymore, but we have a rock, so we can switch the key here to the rock. We need both rock is push and rock is open, and now we can push the rock to open the door and get to the flag. Here we have again door is stop, wall stop, door is shut. So we need the key again should both be push and open, but we only have one is, so we need to use the same is for both keys push and keys open. Then we can open here, and now we can remove the door is shut, and the way to solve this is to make door is push, so we can push the door away instead of opening it. Now the last one to get the first flower is this locked in. This flag is win, Baba is you, wall is defeat, wall is stop, jelly is stop. So if we just remove this, we still die because wall is defeat. So we can do wall is jelly. Now we can walk past, but we have no flag to win, so we can change it to jelly is win. That's the first area. Need 2 more areas, then we can get to the early end. We can go out here. Do now the second area, starting from 0. Here it says rose is red, violet is blue, flag is win, Baba is you. If we push from down, we remove the Baba is you, and this means we die because we don't control anything anymore. So I need to push from up and use the space here to get the rose to the other side. And now we can do rose is you, and flag is win. We can't go there because the wall is stop, and there is no way to remove this. So we can change here to Baba is win, rose is you, and now we control the roses and go to Baba. This one, Baba is float. This means we can't get the flag because we are floating and the flag is not floating. So we need to change Baba to be something else. For example, the rock. So if we take this rock here and put it, replace it here. Now we have rock is you, and we can go with the rock to the flag, which is not floating. Here we have Baba is you and float, Baba is melt, school is defeat and float. So the school kills you, us. Water is hot. So if we remove the float, now we die from melting in the hot water. And the solution here is, and if we keep, we die from the floating school. This is defeat and float. So the solution is to make the water float. Stop us from floating. Yes, remove floating from us and add to the water. Now they are both floating and we are no longer floating, so we can go directly to the flag. This one, text is float, Baba is you, water sink, hedge is stop. So we need to use this rock. Rock is push. We can push the rock to make place, but we need one more, and this is in the corner. So we need to change this to rock is you. So we can be both Baba and rock, and then we can use the rock to sink in the water and get the Baba to the flag. So 4 more. Number 4. This one, now the rock is floating, so we cannot use the rock, but the text is no longer floating. So we can use the text itself to make way, to sink in the water, make way to the flag. Here the text is floating, the cog is push, water sink, so we need to push the cog in the water to sink. And now we can get the wind out of the water, and when they stop the text from floating, it will sink in the water and make the space here. And now we can make Baba is win. Two more. This one, we are both robots. They both sink in the water, so first we need to get them out of sync. Can use this to have one in front of the other. Now only one sinks, and now we can use the Baba is you to control the Baba and get it to the flag. Last one of this area. We have Baba is you, robot is move. If we don't do anything, the robot will kill us. So we need to get here first and get it out of the way of the robot. Now school is the feet, so we cannot go there, and the wind is blocked there. So we need to use the robot, wait for the robot to move inside the schools. And now we can do robot is Baba to control it and push the wind up. With one of the Babas, and with the other Baba we can push the wind back. And now we can do again Baba is win. So this is the second area. Now we have one more area to clear, and then we can get to the early ending. Third area now. This one, the school is the feet, and Baba is weak, so it dies. So what we can do is make the school weak. This means instead of the school killing us, it will die. And now the problem is this rock here gets on the way, in the way, so we can use the same idea and make rock is weak. And now we get to the flag. Here we are Keke, the red one. Baba is moving and has a rock, so when Baba dies, the rock remains. If we push this rock, we get nothing. Yes, the water sink. So the way to be able to use the rock multiple times is to say that a rock has rock. And this means each time the rock dies, sinks, another rock appears. So we can get all the way to the flag. Here love is you, box as flag, so we need to destroy it to get the flag. water is hot, so it kills the love. Love is melt. So first we need to become the box, so we don't get killed in the hot water. And now we can use the melt to melt the box, so we can destroy it in the hot water and get to the flag. And also the love will no longer melt, so we will be able to, so we go back to love is you, but we can't push the box without the box's push. Now the love no longer melts in the hot water. So now that we have boxes push, boxes melt, it will melt in the hot water and we can get to the flag. Three more. This one we have keke is you, boxes push, but again we have the problem that we only have one box and we will need many. And here the water sink to get to the other things. If we use the box has love and love is defeat, so we can't pass. So the way to make progress is to change it to box is you, or box is keke, because if we just do box is you, then we will still die when we go there. We need to be both keke and the box. We need two of them, so one can sink and we still have the other one. And now we need again to have a recursive box, to have multiple boxes. Box is keke and keke has box. So it means each time the keke sinks, it will drop another box that is keke again, so we will not die. Become a box and a keke, and then we get there. Here, box is weak, box has key, door is shut, wall stop, flag is win. So we need to open the door with the key. We need to destroy the box to get the key, but there is no box. So we need the box to be us. Box is you. At the same time as Baba is you. We need the box to be weak, so we can destroy it. Oh, first we need us to be weak, so we can die and drop the box. And after we need the box to be weak, so we can get the key. So first we are weak, box is us, and we need to have a box that will drop when we die. And Baba's key doesn't work because Baba is Baba, so it cannot be something else. So Baba has box, Baba is you, box is you, Baba is weak, so when we die we become a box. And now we do similar for the box. Box is you and weak, box has, and now we don't have enough is, so we do box has box, we use the end for the has. Box has box and key, because we need to die and survive. Need another box to be us, and we need the key to open the door. And box is weak, so we can destroy the box. So now box is you, box has box and key, box is weak, so when the box dies it will drop another box and the key. And now that we have a key, we can say that key is you, box is you and key is you, so we can throw both of them, and then we can use the key to open the door and use the box to get the flag without destroying everything. And now the last level of the last area before the end is this. We have 2 doors to open. Key is open, door is shut, lobby is in, Baba is you, wall and door is stop. We have here box is weak, box is push, has key and. So the idea is again similar to say that box has a key and a box, so it survives and it gets destroyed. And here the has we cannot move, but we can move the box there. Box is weak, so we can destroy it, and the key will drop. And the last thing we need is key is push, so we can push the key to open the doors. And then since it is recursive, we will have many keys at the same time. Then we can get to love is win. Now this was the third area. We needed to unlock the early ending. And there are more areas, more stages of course. But we are going directly to the end now. Finally. So here, this level has 2 ends. One that flag is win, that you only win the level, and the other flag is end, that the game ends. And the idea is we cannot cross here. Like we need to push this rock. So we need to do rock is push. The only rock word available is this one. But the problem is the ice, Baba is hot, ice is melt, and ice as well. So when we pass once, we cannot pass it anymore. So now we can no longer push it from the other side. And same here, if we go here, then everything is blocked. So the way I solve this is using the kaue to push for us there. So we need to change the belt. The idea is to move the belts so they make the kaue do what we want, and we can at the same time move to the other side. But before moving the belt, we need to change to belt is push to be able to move it. So we use the kaue to help with this also. So we can do kaue's move, but first we need to put the kaue in the right position because it moves in the same direction where it was pushed. So now it will move horizontally. Make the kaue's move ready. And then the ease, we want to have the ease on the push there inside. And the reason we need the kaue is that we cannot push it up. We have to be waiting here and have the kaue push for us. So from this position we do kaue's move and we wait. Let the kaue move to us. And then move the ease. Now we have belt ease. We can stop the belt is shift. And now we can bring the push. Same idea. Let the kaue on the other side. We go ahead so we can push it from down. Now we have belt is push. Now we can push the belts and position them for the next part. And the belt is similar, it will move up because I pushed it up. It moves, shifts in the direction it was last pushed. So the idea is the kaue will go now up, right, down. And we go from the other side to be able to push the rock, to make rocks push. And the is push is the same from here, so we need to have it available here. And now the kaue will go there, and we need to go from the other side in time to push the rock. Now we can push. Now we have the rock available there. Kaue is stuck here. And now we can bring is push to make rock is push. To be able to push the rock away. To get to the end, the early end. So now that we have rock is push, we can push it away. And then here we will have flag is win to win just the level. Or we can do rock is weak. Then we can destroy the rocks. And then instead of flag is win, we can make flag is end. And now we are getting to the early end of the game. Now we need to collect all the flowers here. And then we have it. The early end explained. I hope you will be able to follow along and get there yourself. And if you practice, you can also try doing the speed runs of this game, which I think they do this in like 5 minutes or something.